Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode on Spending Jar. If you're new, my name is Charlie, and on today's episode, I'm going to show you how to install a light for your garage opener. So what makes it plug and play is this little item right over here. Got this off of Amazon, including the light, which I'm going to talk about here shortly. So it looks like just a regular light socket extension, but if you turn it to the side, there we go. There is an electrical socket piece on both sides that you can use to go ahead and plug in your LED light fixture, which I'll talk about here shortly. And I'm not sure if this will be caught on the camera. Let me go and turn it maybe towards the light more. If you could see that, it does say UL USA rated, and on the other side, max of 660 volts. Watts and 125 volt. It comes with all these pieces to mount it on wherever you want. You got little extension cords to link it up together, and I brought this piece out, which is going to be mounted on the ceiling. This is what's going to hold up the LED fixture. And coming to here, this is from Barina. Again, got this from Amazon. I'll leave all the link in the description below, so go and check it out. This is a T5. Comes in different color warmth, really blue white-ish color, or the one I got was the warm color. This is the LED right over here. Super light, not heavy at all, almost to the point where it might feel a little flimsy when you first pick it up, but that's not a bad thing, I think. That way it's not too heavy when you put it on the ceiling. This came in a pack of 6, bought 2 boxes. I'm gonna go ahead and install this all around my garage, since my garage never came with any lights, not sure why. So let's go ahead and install it. All right, so here is my garage opener. I already went ahead and loosened the 2 screws on top. Obviously, everyone's garage opener is gonna be a little different. Mine is from Genie. Once you go ahead and unscrew it, this cap just falls down, like so. And as you can see, there is a light socket right over there, and there is another light bulb right over there. I went ahead and took this out, and we're gonna go ahead and screw our conversion socket in here, like so. And that's it. And here is the extension cord that ultimately is going to go up to the LED fixture light, the T5 fixture light right up there. So I'm not going to go ahead and plug that in just yet. I'm going to go and show you guys how to go ahead and install the mounting brackets. All right, so here's the mounting brackets already installed in the ceiling. You just use a screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, to go ahead and install that. Again, super easy. You're just going right through the ceiling. Little tip is, if you want to keep it straight, having 2 people look how straight it is with at least maybe that garage bar right there will help you out. And then here, I'm not going to install it just yet. As you can tell, if you do that, you could draw a line through the middle just to keep it straight, so that you have some center points of where to install it. So once you got the screws in, these are just clip-ons. So what I mean by that is just gonna go there in a little angle like so, and then you're gonna just push it in. If you can see that, it's just a clip-on both sides. And again, I went about maybe 3 to 4 inches in within each side, just to keep it in towards a more center point. That way it's easier to hold. So I'm gonna try to do this one-handed just to show you how easy it is. Just go in a little angle like so, and then just click it in. Voila. Okay, so the extension cord again that's hanging here, I went ahead and just went on a spiral loop. There is a turn on and off button right over here. So I believe that is off. And then here's that extension. And hopefully I could do this without seeing it. Plug it in with both my hands here later. But once you get that in, as you can tell, it just goes around, wrapped around. And then you're gonna install the outlet or the extension cord onto the outlet. Everything's installed. Let's go ahead and start it up. There you go. Super simple, super easy. What do you guys think? All right, that's it for the install. Super easy to do, super DIY friendly. Again, I'll leave all the items link in the description below. I got all of them off of Amazon. And if you wanted to install more lights onto that light bulb, there are a little extension where you could just go ahead and do a pigtail onto each side and add as many as you want. I appreciate you guys watching. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash that like button for your boy to help the channel out. I'll see you guys next time.